How to design this pop-out bird effect using Canva.
At first, take a blank page, go to upload and upload the image and drag it into the canvas. Then resize and replace it. Now go to elements, take this square shape, make it white. Now duplicate the shape, place it to the right, again duplicate it and place it on the top side, right, the top. Now go to search in the elements and search curve, go to graphics. You can take any curve shape from here. Now I think it is all right. Change the color to clean white. Let's change the color to clean white and download the image. Upload the downloaded image. Take another blank page, drag the downloaded image to the canvas. Now go to edit image and select BG remover to remove the background of the image. The background is removed. If you want to make it sure, you can change the canvas color to a different color. Okay, so here you can see the background is removed. Select the image and go to edit image, go to shadow, select outline, select outline color to white, decrease the outline size and keep it 100, the intensity. Again download this image with transparent background, select the page 2 and increase the resolution, download it. It will be downloaded again. Upload the image. You can delete this one, you can make it white again. Now drag the image here, go to edit image and go to shadow. Now select curved shadow and increase the curve to 100%. Reduce the distance and increase the blur amount. You can increase the intensity as well. Now crop the image. Go to the upload and drag the main image again. Go to edit image. Go to magic grep. Just select the bird and grab it from the image. Now delete the background. Now zoom in to place the image. The image is not 100% accurately placed. Match the size and I think it is all right and placed properly. Here is the result. You can increase the size again and download the image.